Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Romany if you're new here, and today I'm doing what I said I wasn't going to do again, which is just an eye look. So I started off with the Revolution Conceal and Define in C1, popped that all over my eyeball, and then I went in with the Linda Hallberg Mood Crayon, and this is in Happy. So what I did was I used that yellow crayon to map out the shape that I wanted. You can see what I'm doing. So it was a bit tuggy, so obviously it's not for drawing all over your eyeball. I've used it only once in my waterline and it was fine, but yeah, so I used that to draw out the shape of what I wanted, and then went in and coloured in the empty space. Once I'd coloured all that empty space in, I set it with the James Charles and Morphe palette in the colour B, which is that beautiful yellow that I have been loving. Absolutely love it. So went in and just stamped that all over that yellow, keeping to that shape. I do go back in with that eye pencil, that Happy pencil, and I sharpened it. It was a bitch to sharpen. It kept on breaking. It was a pain in the butt. And then once I did get it sharpened, I couldn't get it as sharp as I liked because it kept breaking. So you will see in a second, I roughly tried to sharpen that line out, and once I got to the outer corner, it went and broke on me again. So it's a pain in the bum. So I don't know whether it's just, I don't know, but you'll see it's really soft and it broke. So I was peeved right off there, but you know, it is what it is. So I went ahead and stamped some more of that colour B over where I just drawn, and wiping away any of that fallout. There wasn't really anything to write home about, but you know, just in case, sometimes you can't see it's all fallen down until you take a picture, and then you realise that it has. This blue that I'm using is from LA Girl. It's one of the Shockwave neon eyeliners, which are gorgeous, and this is in the shade Electric. So what I'm doing is just lining my bottom waterline and then really blowing that out, really coming down into my eye bag, and then stamping over the top again with the James Charles and Morphe palette, the shade Playground, which is the corresponding blue for it. And then I went in and what did I do next? Oh, I just slightly softened, and I couldn't decide if I wanted a black eyeliner or a white one. I went with black. This is the Wet n Wild Megaliner, and I'm not really in the camera, but you can see I am basically outlining the yellow. This liquid liner was a pain in the bum for, as you can see, what is it? It doesn't smudge. It just settles into any little fine lines and everything on your eyelid. So slowly that wing and everything got thicker until I was happy that it was neat enough. Popped on a couple of coats of mascara, both, I think I did it both top and bottom. Went in with the shade Hello, once again from the James Charles Morphe palette. Just that Hello is a blue, a shimmery blue, just in that inner corner. And I popped on some lashes. These are the Violet Voss Lashes in All the Wispy Ladies. And once I had finished finessing that lash on, I thought it needed something a little extra jazzy. So I popped on some individual little cluster lashes. I think these were the ones from Eyeliner. They were the short shortest ones, and I just pop them along my bottom lash line, space them out. Looks a little bit doll-like, a little bit fun. I didn't stick them on properly, as you can probably guess, because they were coming straight back off again. But anyway, this was the finished look. It was fun and I really enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I promise I won't do any more of these. I'm not enjoying them. I'll see you later. Bye.